y'all, it's Shawna here. Today I'm going to be creating this refreshing Brighten Awaken makeup look for you guys. I decided to kind of do a new series in 2025 where I do makeup looks without lashes. Yes, there'll still be makeup looks with lashes in between, but I really just want to give people an opportunity to have different options on my makeup pages. If you are someone that's either allergic to the lash glue or you don't find the lashes comforting or comfortable, you can still find looks on my page that will make you look amazing just as much as if you had false lashes on. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this and also really like this idea. I don't really see a lot of beauty gurus or makeup influencers doing looks without lashes, and I think that I want to try to be the one that does it this year, so more people have opportunities when they're looking for looks and everything like that. No hate on people that like lashes. I love my lashes. You guys, if you've been around since the beginning and since I've started my makeup journey back in 2013, I have been obsessed with lashes ever since. So I do apologize to those that may find this series boring or not really fun because you love the lashes. But there are other people out there that would think otherwise, and they might actually be a lot more helpful for them. But don't fret, I will make it fair for everyone in between lash, no lash kind of look days. So I'll let you know how it goes. But for today, I hope you guys like this look. If you want to know how I created it, then just keep on watching. Also, Happy New Year's to you all. I hope you had an amazing New Year's and a happy holidays. From my family to yours, I hope your Christmas, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope your holidays were just as amazing. And I hope you got everything you wanted, or I hope you had amazing food. But until then, guys, let's get started, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for the lip combo. Bye!